Hello, welcome back to my channel. This is Auntie Keri's kitchen. In today's video we are going to be making pepper soup. Now I'm just taking out the fish from the back and we're using this lemon to wash it. Squeeze out the juice from the lemon in the fish. Add water to the fish and wash it thoroughly. Before you wash it, you need to let it soak for about 2 to 3 minutes before you wash it. Wash it out very well. Take it out from the lemon water and then add some fresh water to rinse it. In a pot, add your fish, add your seasoning. I'm using no. You can use any seasoning of your choice. Salt, white pepper, cut up your onion and add inside. We are making simple pepper soup today. This one doesn't take time. Add your garlic, pepper. This pepper is very hot. Thyme. Go ahead and add your water inside the pot. While the fish is cooking on the stove, I went ahead and cleaned my carrots, green beans, and red bell pepper. This is the green beans. I'm just cutting the heads of the green beans. I'm just using my hands to break the green beans into 2 or 3. Right now I'm cutting my red bell peppers. My carrots, I'm just cutting them. The fish is cooking nicely. You can see it. Add your carrot, red bell pepper, and string beans. Mix to combine. Cover it and let it cook for about 1 to 2 minutes. I don't like my vegetables to be soft. I like them crunchy. Please subscribe to my channel. Give me a massive thumbs up on this video. At this point, the pepper soup is ready. Thank you all for watching.